Alright guys, I'm up bright and early this morning, headed about 3 hours up the road, pick up my truck cab in North Carolina. It's the first time I'm going to get to see it and check it out. I'm excited. Let's go get it. Alright guys, finally made it back to Georgia. Let's get this cab unloaded and take a look at it. Alright, finally got the cab unloaded. Get a better look at it. Gapped. Alright, here. Let's see. Notice this is flat with the door. And then across the bottom, you can see it's not poking out. Yep, that's what I wanted right there. And the other side's the same way. There's quite a bit of work done. Cab corners, nice. This side too, good gaps. Good gaps. And then again, we've got a really nice fit and finish right here, all the way to there. So Fab Man did the rust repair on this and did an excellent job, and I'll link to his YouTube channel below. So here's my firewall. You notice got some switch suspension hood hinges going in. These firewall shave panels are from Atomic Armadillo. Here's the driver's side. Got no holes. Booster, steering column. Those three are for the gas pedal, but no more holes. Best part is no more rust. Got a long way to go yet. This is a good start. Check out how good these doors open and shut. Alright guys, that was a real quick video of my truck cab. So now the real work begins. So subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that like button. Let me know what you think. That's it. See you next time.